Okay. Hello, dear friends. 姑姑evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. For some secret reason, I mean, for some reason, you do not need to know that I do need to buy some glasses. So this one is a loser unboxing, and I am buying a new pair of reading glass, but this one is for under the sun, clear vision, colorful life. To read under the sun, and because California, there is always bright sunshine. There is a need for a pair of reading glasses, mostly for me to drive. Driving glasses. Let's take a look. Oh, they almost seems from the same company. I like this little Ziploc bag. It will be used for put some my cough drop, to put my earrings, to put yeah, this put cosmetic Q-tip. They are very, very useful things. I love it. And it's not complicated packaging. And even this I do not use that much. But this little plastic Ziploc bag, I can easily find a use of it. Now let's take a look. Wow, looks pretty. Wow, looks pretty, well, stylish, I would say. Now let's take a look on me. Let me have some lip color. Are we ready? So black one, blue one. Oh, this one is almost the same color. Look at this. Bought it yesterday. Almost the same color. And this one. Oh, I love this brown color, warm color. Let's see. Ready? Ta 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 ta. Go. Okay, now let's take a look. My normal glasses. And this one is yesterday's glass. This is a driving glass. And now we will try the this one is the black color long distance glass. I need to take out this sticker. Where is my tape? Oh, piece of paper. It's a little bit messy. Oh, I need to wear my glasses to see it. how do you take out this sticker? Use a piece of tape. Out. Piece of tape. Out. A piece of tape. Out. Okay, so this one is the blue one. How do I look? This one is the black one. This one is the brown one. It feels so warm with this. I like this color actually. I like the warm tone of color. And that's it. I like it. I can see quite well. And it's mostly because it's just fit well. And it's not, sorry. And the best part of it is that it's not too loose, and I can even do like this. This is relatively narrow and just perfect. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goodbye bye. Oh, the outer universe. Hello, dear enemy. Such an ugly evening. Bye bye, enemy. I hate you. No, that is not the right word. Bye bye, dear enemy. And that's it. Goodbye, bye. No, hello, bye bye, dear enemy. TT bye bye. TT bye bye.